Beginner's Guide to Healthy Eating. Healthy eating. Everyone knows they should do it, but few of us do it as consistently as we would like. The truth is that the majority of Americans do not eat a healthy diet. The issue isn't as simple as consuming too many calories, though this is a contributing factor. The average American consumes too much saturated fat, added sugars, and sodium. This fact is largely to blame for the 78 million obese adults and 12.5 million obese teens and children in the United States. Healthy eating is one solution to this problem. However, with so many fad diets and contradictory dietary advice out there, it can be difficult to understand what healthy eating truly means. What is healthy eating? You've come to the right place if you want to get right to the point and learn how to start eating healthy. This video will provide you with the information you need to find a diet that will help you live a healthy and happy life in the long run. Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future videos. In general, healthy eating entails consuming a wide range of nutrient-rich foods that provide you with all of the vitamins, minerals, and energy you require to maintain your overall well-being. A healthy diet includes a balanced ratio of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, as well as enough water to stay hydrated. A healthy diet should help you achieve peak physical and mental performance. Tip number 1: cook your own food. Cooking for yourself is the only way to know exactly what you're putting into your body. You can avoid harmful ingredients, added sugars or salt, and foods that may aggravate health conditions if you control what goes into your meals. Indeed, when it comes to the latter, eliminating triggering foods by cooking your own meals is an important lifestyle change to avoid any unwanted symptoms caused by dietary restrictions. Instead, focus on healthy eating by including nutritious fruits and vegetables, lean meat, and flavorful herbs and spices. Making this switch will provide you with sustained energy, a healthy body, and, most importantly, delicious food. Tip number 2: avoid processed foods. In line with the previous advice, you should avoid processed foods. Food that has been mechanically or chemically manipulated to change its flavor or preserve it is referred to as processed food. This is frequently done at the expense of the consumer, because processed foods are designed to be addictive, and the preservatives used may be harmful to the human body. Processed foods include the following: frozen dinners, cookies, candy, potato chips, margarine, instant ramen, soda pop, and any fast foods. This is just a sampling of the many processed items available on store shelves. Such items have been shown to have negative health effects and are known to cause side effects such as acid reflux. While these foods are staples of the American diet, it's time to eliminate them from yours if you want to take your diet seriously. Tip number 3: eat whole foods. Contrary to popular belief, carbohydrates are an important part of your diet and provide energy to your body. Nonetheless, it is critical to distinguish between good and bad carbohydrates. The key to clean eating is to focus on the good while avoiding the bad, which means eating whole foods. Healthy carbs to eat. Whole foods are unprocessed, as opposed to refined foods. They contain all of the fiber and nutrients found in food. Vegetables, whole fruits, whole grains, and beans are some examples. These items, unlike refined carbs, do not cause large spikes in blood levels, so they will not leave you with energy ups and downs. This is critical for people suffering from chronic illnesses such as diabetes. Tip number 4: eat well-balanced meals. If you're just getting started with healthy eating, it's easy to get carried away with one or two healthy favorites, but balanced meals are necessary to meet all of your dietary needs. A well-balanced diet includes foods high in micronutrients and low in fats and sugars. Fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins make up a well-balanced diet. Neglecting any of these can result in nutrient deficiencies, which can lead to the development of chronic health conditions such as heart disease and cancer in the future. Tip number 5: limit added fat, salt, and sugars. It's difficult to overestimate the importance of limiting added fat, salt, and sugar in your diet. These are frequently found in processed foods. They can be harmful to your health if consumed in excess. Keep an eye out for items that have these additions, as they can derail an otherwise healthy diet. Healthy fats to eat. Fats have been demonized in the same way that carbohydrates have. However, there are many foods high in healthy fats that can be a great addition to any balanced diet. Avocados, whole eggs, and certain nuts are examples of these. Hopefully this video has provided you with the tools to eat healthier. Make sure to subscribe to The Healthy Lifestyle for future videos and more.